Are you looking for the perfect business opportunity in the heart of Colorado's majestic mountains? This established business located in a thriving little mountain town could be the chance you've been waiting for. For over 5 years, SOS has been the go-to provider for drain cleaning services, trusted by homeowners, property managers, and local businesses alike. With a reputation for fast and professional service, it is well established in the community and enjoys consistent repeat business.
Well, I guess it was 4 or 5 years ago. I had a backup in one of my homes, and I called another company in town, and they were not responding at all. I called him up. He called me back within 5 minutes. He was out there that day and basically solved the whole reservation that I had in place.
Hello, my name is Steve Toth. I'm the proud owner of SOS Drain Opening. I built this company into one of the most respected drain cleaning companies in Pagosa Springs and surrounding areas.
Well, I'd gotten back. I travel a lot for work, and so I'd gotten back after being gone a couple weeks, and there was water in my one bathroom. At first I thought it was my hot water heater going out. It wasn't that. I was like, well, I can't use this if that's the issue. Well, SOS came out and pinpointed, I think it's your main that collapsed. And what he said happened, he discovered the problem pretty quick.
This isn't just a business opportunity, it's a lifestyle. Live where others vacation, all while running a successful business that makes a real difference in the community.
I have specialized in residential, commercial, and municipal drains for the past 25 years. I have reached a point in life that I am ready to pass on my knowledge and legacy. Today I'm excited to offer SOS Drain Opening for sale, including training, equipment, and client list.
If you're ready to take control of your future and invest in a solid business opportunity in one of Colorado's most charming mountain towns, this is your chance. Don't miss out on owning a thriving business where success and adventure come hand in hand.